Hello everyone. I was wanting to do I've been having a lot of fun with my new cheap guitars and wanted to share some fun facts. I have a black light bulb, and I guess it's no surprise that the Jaymz chartreuse is very blacklight friendly. So yeah, and some other updates on the setup of the Jaymz to share. Yeah. Also, pro tip with guitar straps. Or maybe not a pro tip. First, if you're wearing a hoodie, put your hood up. Put the guitar strap on your shoulder before attaching it to the guitar. Boop. Oh shit, no, I can't tell there. Yeah. Yeah, pretty. Pretty, huh? And obviously I've restrung it and went full punk rock, non-string cutting. Ran into some issues during the intonation of the Jaymz double cut. Standard. So this little piece here on the Jaymz was Christmas trash. Some of the things, I mean, it already had strip screws on it, but fortunately for me, I upgraded the bridge and this piece on one of my Epiphones, and it's fully interchangeable. So this has Epiphone bridge on it and is fully intonated. Got 10s on there now because you get a little bit. I needed a little bit of extra room. A little bit bigger size string gives you to get the intonation complete. Sad fact. The West Creek is not blacklight friendly. Only thing that glows on this is the little stripe in the pick guard. Sad being it's white. It could have glowed just like this. But awesome guitar though. Not going through any of the issues for, let's see, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 40 more dollars. I'm not running into any of the issues with that this gym had, but this thing is just so ridiculously fun. But yeah, so Epiphone bridge on there, fully intonated, very blacklight friendly. I mean, this will glow in the dark if you turn the lights out. If you just have your black light on, it just, yeah, practically lights up the room. So that's cool. What else? That's about it, I think. I just want to kind of do a little update on fun things going on there. Also found out that this color shows up a lot better on different TVs. Like that TV back there, this color shows up on pretty good. That monitor there, not so much. So I thought I had more things to share about this stuff. Yeah. Just got my old Epiphone hardware on the back there. Got her all intonated up and restrung. Okay, so the back two knobs are the back. No? Thought I had it figured out. Bottom two knobs. Yep. Bottom two knobs, back pickup. What's that from? I've heard that before. But another silly fun fact, if you screw around trying different riffs, you actually, it's like, oh, that's a song. Third eye blind action. Or is it? I think that's it. Trying to retrain myself not to brace my fingers, and while I'm picking, and maybe I can learn to do that. Ooh, all the way up and down a blues scale without screwing up, back and forth picking. Maybe I'll get it. Let's see. Or not. There you go, a little update. Blacklight friendly. Leo Jaymz. Stole that from Dave Mustaine. I just watched him play one of his songs, saw him do that. It's the only Dave Mustaine riff I can do. cables.